What you doing, honey? You waiting for a train? Hey, you waiting for a train? Come on. Woo! Oh, no, bugger. Oh, dear me. Oh, no way. Hello, I'm Little Hope, and I'm with my honey dog. We're not waiting for a train, we're on the rail trail. It's really nice through here. I think they've had to cut this out for the train to come through. It's just beautiful. There probably was a train stop. You're on this side. Okay, good girl. So I talked in my last video about healing, and I have I go back over the videos once I've made them and realise that, I've forgotten a whole heap of stuff. Because I actually do have brain damage from the incident with the sledgehammer. I have severe PTSD from trauma after trauma after trauma. But I'm healing myself, eh? You can heal yourself. What I did is I went out in nature, went and been by myself and listened to the signs, symbols and synchronicities sent by God. Look at this, eh? So that's the highway over there. There. This is the rail trail. And then that's a lake. And look at the sun trying to come out this afternoon. That just goes for kilometres and kilometres from town to town, this rail trail. Oh, look over there. That's a fish down there. So that's what I did, but heal myself by coming to places like this. Went all around Australia. Went from Queensland, from the rainforests of Queensland, out to the west of Queensland, dinosaur area, out to the desert, up to the Kimberleys, seen the great Lake Argyle, and climbed the rocks of Kununurra, went over to Western Australia, swam in the beautiful Broome Ocean, went to Monkey Mia, swam with the dolphins and their healing. Went to Margaret River, and then seen the ocean of Margaret River, and then into the caves of Margaret River, and all that stuff is healing. Like, I'm just connected to all my land here in Australia now, and it's just beautiful. Like, look at the views that I have to put up with every day. Even though it's just so cold, go for a walk and you warm up. Put your raincoat on, you don't get wet. But really, everything in nature is just so healing. And being by yourself, learning to love yourself, and learning to listen to your higher self, and listen to God, you grow and become confident, like I have. I'm just talking about my experiences here. And I'm just hoping, hopefully I can help someone by just by just sharing my experiences, and just by sharing my experiences, I'm healing. I'm healing. It gives me confidence, because I don't have, I can't articulate properly with the brain damage and all, you know, and have a limited vocabulary, but doing these videos helps me to expand that once again and get back to myself, you know. So these are healing videos for me, and it's given me confidence, and you know, and I'm able to share my experience with other people that may be interested. So, you know, it's a good thing all over. So I hope you have an awesome afternoon. Stay blessed, and hey, stay beautiful.